This LSVT Coach video tutorial will walk you through resetting your LSVT Coach password if you have forgotten it and are unable to log back into your system. Typically, you can enter a new password for the LSVT Coach from the main menus, but you will need to know your password to log into the system before you can do so. This is a workaround to get your password reset if all else fails and you are truly stuck. Begin by closing the LSVT Coach. Then you are going to want to open the File Explorer on your device and locate the Windows C drive. From here, click on Users and navigate to your Windows user profile. Select your profile and open the folder titled App Data. Within these folders, look for the folder titled Roaming. And within this last set of folders, you are going to look and open the folder titled LSVTC-Screens. You will have one more folder to open titled Local Store. Once this folder has been opened, you are then going to want to delete the preferences.xml file that you now see on screen. Once deleted, you are going to restart the LSVT Coach software. Upon restarting and opening the LSVT Coach, you will be brought to this screen here titled Set Your Password. You will have the opportunity to enter a new password for your software along with a password hint. We recommend that you enter a hint that will help you to remember your new password. You must enter a password hint before pressing the blue Continue button. Upon pressing Continue, you will be brought to the main menu of the LSVT Coach software. As mentioned earlier in this video, you can set a new password directly for your software from the home screen. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful in resolving any issues you had with setting your password for the LSVT Coach software. Please reach out to LSVT Coach at lsvtglobal.com for any additional questions or concerns you may have.